Tishas Food Manufacturing Sdn was originally established as an enterprise entity in 2012. It has become a private limited company, manufacturer of frozen products, specializing in frozen pastries. Tishas first started with Murtabak Penang in 2012 by Tuan Haji Shamsul. Murtabak Penang was inherited from the legacy of his late grandfather's business, Rempah Moyang E Ghafur, backdated since 1923 in Bertam Lane, Penang. Tishas began to establish a foothold in Kuala Lumpur on 1st of April 2012, selling freshly prepared hot Penang Murtabak in Kuala Lumpur. Its vision was to expand the chain of Penang Murtabak stalls in Kuala Lumpur. However, due to constraints in getting stall permits and licenses, the vision was scaled down to only using mobile caravans around Kuala Lumpur. After 3 years in operations, Tishas began to grow and establish various key frozen food products, and eventually own a factory in Incubator Technology Makanamara Complex in 2015. Tishas is named after its founder Puan Hajah Atika and Tuan Haji Shamsul. Tuan Haji Shamsul possessed a bachelor's degree in technology management from Open University of Malaysia, OUM. He has vast experience in manufacturing industry. He spent almost 18 years working with various factories majoring in process control and quality assurance before starting his own company and factory called Tishas Food Manufacturing Sdn. He is now the CEO and Executive Director of Tishas Food Manufacturing Sdn. His main task is mainly overseeing the entire business operation and a final decision maker of the company. Puan Hajah Atika binti Muhammad Ramli obtained her Master's in Business Administration MBA, majoring in Applied Finance and Investment from University Kebangsaan Malaysia UKM, and a bachelor's degree with honors in accountancy from University Technology Mara UiTM. She's had over 14 years of experience in the banking industry. In January 2015, she decided to join her husband and manage their own business. She is now the Chief Operating Officer of Tishas Food Manufacturing Sdn, overseeing the entire day-to-day administrative and operational functions of finance, marketing, and sales and distribution departments. Tishas products were first introduced in modern trade, which consists of hypermarket and supermarket. In October 2016, Tishas started the journey with Giant Supermarket and eventually has spread to various hypermarket, which are Ben's Independent Grocer, Village Grocer, OTK Supermarket, Maidin, Lulu Supermarket, Sogo, Aeon, Aeon Big, and ST Rosham. Starting from only 10 outlets in Klang Valley, it had spread its wings to 50 outlets in Klang Valley in October 2017. Due to overwhelming demand, Tishas continued to grow and now has supplied to more than 3,860 outlets in Peninsular Malaysia. Tishas had made its debut in Sabah since beginning 2022 at Bataras Hypermarket and is planning to introduce to consumers in Sarawak soon. Furthermore, Tishas also has joined to place their products in general trade, which are in Mini Market and Halal Mart. Tishas also markets Tishas products through online sales, which is through network of home dealers throughout Peninsular Malaysia, as we believe agents and stockists are able to build Tishas branding even stronger to export the market. Previously, deliveries were made through home dealers. Nevertheless, in 2020, due to sharp increase in order requests and movement restrictions due to MCO, we have increased our online orders from Lazada, Shopee, and Tishas official website. Additionally, for the community at large, Tishas believe in pay forward, and therefore Tishas has an ASNAF program through every sales packet made, which contributes 10 cents into Tishas ASNAF fund to help the 7 groups of ASNAF that is under Tishas care. In 2020, Tishas Food Manufacturing Sdn has successfully enriched and established a thriving and dynamic company. Tishas was already certified by Makanan Selamat Tanggungjawab Industri Mesti, certified under the Ministry of Health MOH. Tishas has also obtained its halal certification by JAKIB in year 2020. These certifications had enabled Tishas to market its product confidently throughout Malaysia. Tishas is planning to move to its new factory in Nilai by September 2022. It plans to equip the manufacturing process in accordance to Good Manufacturing Practice (GMP) and Hazardous Analysis and Critical Control Point (HACCP) accreditations. These accreditations are deemed necessary as Tishas has successfully exported its products to greater region in Southeast Asia and Asia, namely Singapore, Hong Kong, and Saudi Arabia since 2020. Tishas is in the framework of franchise marketing, in which to start a kiosk based on pastries under the guidance of PNS. We are making plans towards future export markets such as Indonesia, Brunei, Canada, the US, and Australia. This is simply because Tishas sees the huge opportunity to become Asia's leading halalan and toyyiban food and beverage player. with health and taste in mind, and as such, our ingredients are always of high quality and our products are definitely very great.